evening, teacher. My name is Evelyn Rojas. Today, present my product academic number 4. The topic is intercultural. Introduction. Intercultural youth in Peru manifest themselves through discrimination, social inequality, and exclusion suffered by minority cultural groups, largely due to the lack of effective bilingual intercultural education and superficial public policy. This is exacerbated by stereotypes, racism, communication barriers, and the persistent centralization of power. My problems of interculturality in Peru. Discrimination and racism. This is a serious problem that manifests itself in daily life based on physical characteristics, beliefs of origin, or customs. Social and economic inequality. The gaps between cultural groups are weak, reflecting an history of discrimination and lack of opportunities. Education and health system. There is a lack of an intercultural approach in these areas, which limits access to quality care, care for indigenous populations and other minorities. Lack of effective public policies. Existing policies are often superficial, disconnected from reality, and lack adequate basis for their implementation. Cultural and communication barriers, difficulties in dialogue and interaction, including language barriers, hinder harmonious coexistence. Finally, uh, centralization of power. The persistence of centralized models and the lack of integration between ancestral knowledge and modern knowledge impede genuine interculturality. A specific challenge. Number one, education. Uh, education. A lack of political will, shortage of teachers trained in bilingual education, and inadequate educational materials. Dialogue and conflict. Cultural and rational difference hinder dialogue, especially in conflicts sure as socio-environmental and meaning conflicts. Cultural perception. Cultural diversity is often seen as a problem rather than a resource, and policies do not adequately uh, address the poverty and marginalization associated with a lack of intercultural understanding. The conclusion regarding intercultural understanding in Peru is that while there is great cultural richness, historical challenges of discrimination and inequality persist and must be overcome through the active promotion of synthetic dialogue. Uh, to achieve this is essential to stretching intercultural education, which not only seeks to teach content but also to value diversity, guarantee rights, and build a more inequality society where different cultures enrich each other narrative that being assimilated. Main points of the conclusion. Interculturality is crucial for coexistence. Interculturality is a vital tool for Peru as it allows for the creation of civic coexistence based on mutual respect and the recognition of cultural, linguistic, and spiritual diversity. Fighting discrimination, an intercultural approach helps combat the racism and discrimination that still prevail in Peruvian society and institutions, promoting the belonging of all people and cultures. Education as a central focus. Intercultural education is that path to developing a balance between unity and diversity. It must go beyond academic content to teach respect for an appreciation of cultural difference, including ancestral knowledge. Building rights, not assimilating interculturality, seeks to build rights of exchange between cultures, overcoming the notion that one culture must assimilating another or that only pure and isolated culture exist. The goal is mutual enrichment, uh, recognizing and valuing diversity. It is necessary to recognize and value the multiplicity of Peruvian cultural expressions as a valuable heritage, not a limitation. This includes different worldwide uh, approaches to health and community organization. And finally, implement public policies. It is necessary for public policies in all areas, including education and health, to incorporate an intercultural approach to dismantle inequalities and guarantee the effective enjoyment of rights for all people. It is all. Thank you very much.